Okay, we are in the topic of sixth topic here. So here, see, NCR maximum value, if you want to find, then R should be n by 2 if n is even. That coefficient term will be n by 2. If it is even n is, then n by 2 term will be the greatest value, maximum value. Suppose if you take it as a 4, n as a 4, then what is your values like 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So this is the highest value, right? So what you're going to write, n by 2, n is n by 2, 2 ones, 2 2. So R is 2, but this is, what is here? R, a term R is 2 means like R value is 2. Then the term will be R plus 1. So this and this, the second one is 1 plus 1 is a 2, and then 2 plus 1 is a third term. I think you all know 2R plus 1 is a term value. So R will be the 2. Okay, like this only. If it is even, 4 we have, so this is even. Suppose if we have a 5. So 5 means in the middle we will, like, how many terms we are going to get? We will get an even number of terms, and in that the middle one is what? You can write it as n minus 1 by 2 and n plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So n is what? 5. 5 minus 1 by 2 and then 5 plus 1 by 2. Then this is 4 by 2 and then 3 by 2. Sorry, this is 6 by 2. 4 ones, 2 ones, 2 twos, to this 3. So second and third terms will be equal in the middle. So those are the highest values in this. Okay, now shall we? Yeah, this is what they explain. The highest coefficient value, maximum coefficient value is this formulas. We can use it, and we have one question over here. We will try to do this one. Then you will understand the concept 6, like topic 6 of this maximum values. Now, here if A, B, C are the greatest values of this they gave. So if, can I write it as like A is equals to 19CP. So P value is how much? So 19 is n, right? N. That is, if it is odd, then n minus 1 n by 2 n plus 1 by 2 I can take it. So 19 minus 1 by 2 and 19 plus 1 by 2. So this will become 18 by 2 and this will become a 20 by 2. So that will be equals to 19C. This is the greatest value, right? So 19C, this is how much? 9s are 9. That will be equals to 19C. This is 10. So 10 you are going to write it here. Okay. Same way. These are the options they gave us. B. B equals to how much? 20CQ. This is even number. Then 20C. So 20 by 2 is how much? 10. Can I write 10 over here? Next. C1. C is equals to 21CR. This one, 21 is an odd number again. So 21 minus 1 by 2, it is 10. 10C, 10 is equals to 21 plus 1 is 22 by 2. So that will be the 11. Right? We got this both. Now we will equalize of this pattern. When I go for the A equals to B equals to C down, I am going to take in a increasing order here. So it is 19C9 by here it is 20C10 and then 21C10. Can I take it like this so that it will be easy for me to calculate, to compare like that. So this one, see, A by, so I'll write it down one step here. Once again I'll write it. A by 19C9 equals to B by 20C10 equals to C by 21C11. Okay. Now A by 19C9, it's looking like A, it's a 19. Okay. 19C9. Here, can I write it as B by 20 by 10? 19C9. Here, C by 21 by 11. 19C9. There is a formula of writing like this. Okay. If you want, I'll explain after the problem. Why we are directly able to write like this? So can I cancel this all? To cancel this all only I have written, I took these things, this one, and here is however this one only, and I took this one. So now what are the left over here? A by 1 is equals to B by 20 by 10, means can I cancel it? So I'll get a 2 over here. 2 I'll get it if I cancel 0, 0. 2 is equals to C by 21 by 11. So 11 if I send it here, I'm going to get A by 11 is equals to B by 22. If I LCM all, then by 21. Right? Which one is the option over here? 21. I think the question is, option has somewhere wrong. Yeah, LCM of all 22 if I take it, it is 2 over there, right? If I take 2, 1 second. Yeah, I missed here. So I missed 2 things here. Sorry, here 21 by 11, and next thing is what here? 10 by, so directly I can't get, right? So one more step I get it here. 10 by 10 into 19 by C9. I'll explain you why we got this 19 C9. So here 0, 0 cancel, 2 is left over, so it is 40. Yeah, that is the option of this one. Okay, we got this answer. This is 42. Yes. So I'll explain you why we are able to write this one. See, if NCR is here, so how we are going to write it this one? N factorial by R factorial n minus R factorial, right? So if I just take one more step like n into n minus 1 factorial by R into R minus 1 factorial, and here this both will becomes what? N minus 1 minus of R minus 1, right? So if I gets cancelled, this both minus into 1 is plus, that gets cancelled. So your answer is, so n of n minus 1, okay, n minus 1 by R of R minus 1, R of R minus 1, then here. So all the things, even this one also, I have took it as cancellation. So then the part will be how much it will be, n minus R only I took, right? So my calculation of here is n minus R only I am getting, right? Yes. So this is a factorial, this is a factorial, this is a factorial. So n by R, if I take this total one, can I write it as NCR is equals to n by R of n minus 1 C R minus 1, right? So I am able to write like this. So I am using that formula over here. This formula I took it over here. And from this also I took this formula. Okay. So we have learning step by step, and this is a topic 6th one, and we'll go to the next video in a topic 7th.